Welcome. Today we're down again $308. I mean, I had worse days than this, but I must say that today was a real tricky one and I made some mistakes as well. So I'm gonna go through this, what happened during the day, because it was really crazy. We took a beautiful trade on the London session here, and I'm gonna go through the rest of the accounts individually. Beautiful trade in the London session on Nasdaq, but after that everything went against me. I had a stop loss on Nasdaq here during the New York kill zone, and I was in this trade and then I closed it because I was having some emotions, fear about ending up with a loss. But the problem about emotions, first of all, came from the Russell, because I missed this entry in the London session. A little bit of a FOMO was kicking in, but it's all right. And after that, I entered into this long trade because I still say that we have a very important level on the Russell at 2097. So I was hovering in this position, then it shook me out, went back up again after market open. And this is where I made a mistake. I entered again as a second chance to hopefully spike through this 97 level. This trade should not have been made at all. Maybe this one either. So one stop loss, two stop loss, one more stop loss here, and it was really not ideal. I tried to downsize my positions. That is what protected me overall during the day. But as you can see, I had many wrong decisions, and what can I say? It happens, but this is why risk management, I think, is crucial. But anyway, let's go over the accounts. The Bulenox account suffered a $57 loss, down to $1,841. The My Funded Futures account is down $71. I guess the copy trader sometimes is lagging, especially after market opens. So it's down $71, down to $911. The first Apex account is down to $977. This had a $100 loss because of connection issue again. And the other Apex account is down $80 as well. So overall, it's $308 across the valuation accounts. And I got so tired by the PM session in New York, guys, I just had to stop. Maybe I could see some opportunity to scalp. We were really watching this level. Equal lows down there. Maybe it's gonna get taken out in the Asia session. Who knows what's gonna happen down at 280. But anyways, this always reminds me to, not to overtrade, because today I was overtrading again. I was taking too many trades, and too many markets. And one key takeaway, which I was talking about during the stream, is that maybe it should be better for me to narrow it down to only one market, for Nasdaq, for example, because I love Nasdaq. I have no problem with Russell too, and as far as I'm concerned, it does a great job. But when I had good results in the past month with both of them, but it's hard to concentrate, especially on streams and doing this kind of challenge with connecting multiple prop accounts together. I mean, it's a little bit difficult sometimes, and sometimes Russell and Nasdaq can even themselves out, and it's good for risk management. But it's really hard, and it's hard to stay focused. And so I might be narrowing down the trades for the rest of the week to Nasdaq, and we'll see how it goes. But this day also reminded me not to overtrade, but a good example why it is good to go with small positions. So I was risking about anywhere between $50 and $70 per position. So that's how I managed to survive, and that's why I'm only trading micros. And yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired. Anyway, thank you for watching my streams. Check out my trading entry, the entry model at pip.ninja if you're interested. If you take my course, it's not super expensive, $49, but you get Discord lifetime access as well. And also today is the last day for the Apex discount. I think today they're giving out for the last day for 80%. Grab your discount codes and links. You can help out the stream, and thank you anyone, guys, I can't speak. Thank you everyone for being here with me on the streams. It was a tough day. I'm super tired. See you guys on the London session. This was a really long day for me. Thanks again. See you guys.